Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'd like to call for House Committee Sub 1.
Clerk, please report.
House Committee Substitute 1 to House Bill 723.
Gentleman from Graves.
Move for passage.
Motion is for the adoption of House Committee Substitute 1. Is there any discussion of the committee substitute? Seeing none, those in favor signify by voting aye. Those opposed, nay. House Committee Substitute 1 is adopted. Gentleman from Graves.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. House Bill 723 is the update from last year's House Bill 9, which established the Government Resource Accelerating Needed Transformation that we refer to as GRANT. So essentially this legislation provided a framework of funding for local match component for federal grants. So since the summer of 2023, the gentleman from Todd and I have worked together with other experts, federal agencies, officials, area development districts, universities, and local officials, and we've worked to educate the communities all over the Commonwealth about the grant program. The reception of the federal grant match program has been enormously positive. Transformative community projects that would have never been possible are now made so because of the state's support of the local match. When we began in 2023, the federal program was designated for 41 counties. Those that were in coal impacted in eastern Kentucky and western Kentucky as prioritized by the federal resources. Since then, the interagency working group on coal and power plant communities has expanded those designations to virtually cover the entire state. These expanded designations have necessitated changes to the grant program. Mainly, we've made all 120 counties in the cities in those counties and the 501c3 nonprofits eligible for applications. We've also created scoring criteria that includes additional weighting for the federal prioritizing of these areas. So, Mr. Speaker, if there's any questions, I'll be glad to answer those. If not, I move for passage of House Bill 723 as amended by House Committee Sub 1.